Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and making a reliable backup. This protects your data if anything goes wrong. Once you've confirmed your Mac model supports Sonoma and freed at least 35 GB, start Time Machine or create a bootable clone. Make sure your Mac is plugged into power and connected to stable Wi-Fi. Then open System Preferences or Software Update to fetch the Sonoma installer. You're pulling the installer now, not triggering the full upgrade yet, so you can prepare the next steps. Once the installer is downloaded, you'll launch it and follow the on-screen prompts. Read alerts about incompatible apps or required updates first. You may be asked to allow system extensions or grant permissions. Approve these so the installer can proceed. During installation, your Mac will reboot multiple times. This is normal. Make sure you don't force shutdown. If you have multiple volumes, choose the correct startup disk. After installation completes, Mac OS will perform first boot optimizations, which can take additional minutes. You'll finish by walking through the Setup Assistant. Sign into your Apple ID, check iCloud syncing, and review privacy settings so apps get needed permissions. Once on the desktop, update all apps via the App Store or vendor installers to ensure compatibility with Sonoma. If something goes wrong, for example, your Mac won't boot, restart into safe mode to troubleshoot, or use Mac OS Recovery to reinstall or restore from your Time Machine backup. This single troubleshooting path often resolves upgrade hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.